Another consideration in system testing is what you do with the bug reports. Sure, you want to fix bugs, but you can often mine the data to actually get more value out of it. And one of the big things you can do in system testing is find bug farms. The 90-10 rule applies to bug farms. 90% of the bugs are in 10% of the modules, at least in a lot of different software that I've heard about. Typically, you're going to find the bugs in the modules with high cyclomatic complexity, lots of global variables, spaghetti code, and so on. But the bug farms can be more than just bad code. If you have a bad design, just a poorly thought out design, it may be impossible to write code for it no matter how good the coder is. And that could be partly complexity, but it could just be because it's a poorly conceived design. It may be too complex to understand and test. It may be the design is so complicated no one can even figure out how to write code for it. Or maybe it's poorly defined, the interfaces are confusing, and so on. So generally, the idea is to take all the bugs you find and throw up a histogram and say, all right, for each module I found this many bugs. And it's common to find a handful of modules with huge numbers of bugs compared to all the other modules. Those are your bug farms. When you find the handful of modules that always have the bugs, you shouldn't just keep fixing bugs because probably you'll never fix all of them. They're just not fixable. Instead, you should be refactoring the module, redesigning the interface. Often, the smartest thing to do is to take the bug farm modules and just throw them away and redesign that piece, often breaking them up into smaller, more well-considered modules.